is quite possible. The best pictures that we have of the early universe is that our universe isn't unique, isn't alone, that there are many universes. We call it a multiverse. So that multiverse might be infinite and eternal.
Where are they?
But if you look at the multiverse, and I've had one or two in particular multiverse experiences where time and reality has changed in a way that I cannot explain.
Give it a shot.
Okay, I'll give it a shot. And
You've already blown my mind apart 150 times today.
Before we tackle the concept of the multiverse, let's first talk about the universe that we know and love. The observable universe is estimated to be about 93 billion light years in diameter. That's a mind-boggling number, but it only represents a tiny fraction of what's out there. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the universe and the exciting possibility of the multiverse. But first, a quick question to hook you in. What if I told you that there might be an infinite number of alternate realities out there? Each one vastly different from the other. Intrigued? So are we. Let's explore the hidden realms of the cosmos. Scientists believe that the universe is ever expanding, with galaxies and celestial bodies constantly moving away from each other. This expansion is driven by the mysterious force we call dark energy. Now that we've established the enormity of our universe, let's dive into the fascinating concept of the multiverse. The multiverse theory posits that our universe is just one of a potentially infinite number of universes, all existing simultaneously. This idea has been around for decades, but it has gained traction in recent years, thanks to advancements in theoretical physics and cosmology.
First of all, the simplest possibility is that they're outside the region we can see, right? For example, the edges of our visible universe, space is expanding faster away from us than light. Because, we taught you in school nothing can travel faster than light. You may remember that from school.
Right.
We lied. Oh. Okay. Well, no, you have to parse it more carefully like a lawyer. Nothing can travel through space faster than light, but space can do whatever the hell it wants.
There are several different types of multiverse theories, but today, we'll focus on the three most popular ones. First up, we have the bubble universe theory, which suggests that our universe is just one of many bubbles floating in an infinite cosmic ocean. These bubbles form and grow due to cosmic inflation, and each one has its own unique set of physical laws. Next, we have the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. This theory is based on the idea that every time a quantum event occurs, the universe splits into multiple parallel realities, with each reality representing a different outcome of the event. Finally, we have the string theory landscape. String theory is an advanced mathematical framework that describes the fundamental particles and forces of the universe as vibrating strings. The string theory landscape posits that there are many possible configurations for these strings, and each configuration corresponds to a unique universe.
So when you put like quantum physics and general relativity and you try to come up with some bigger understanding, deeper understanding, string theorists have been all into this, you get a multiverse. We didn't pull that out of our ass, that came out of the equations. So how old is the multiverse? I don't know. It's definitely older than our universe because it birthed our universe and it births other universes and it births, the way the equations drive it, an infinity of universes.
So, what evidence do we have for the existence of the multiverse? While the idea of the multiverse is still theoretical, some intriguing clues from cosmology and quantum physics have emerged. For instance, certain patterns observed in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the residual heat left over from the Big Bang, could potentially be explained by the existence of other universes. Some researchers have also pointed to the unusual fine-tuning of the physical constants in our universe as potential evidence for a multiverse, arguing that these seemingly perfect conditions for life might be a result of a vast cosmic lottery. On the quantum level, the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics has gained traction among some physicists. as it offers a possible explanation for the strange behavior of quantum particles. While these clues are not definitive proof, they certainly make the idea of the multiverse more plausible. If the multiverse theory turns out to be true, it could have profound implications for our understanding of the cosmos.
We'll never be able to see it. We'll never be able to interact with it. We'll never be, okay? And it could be that there are different regions so far away from us where space is expanding faster than light, which have a very different history than our own. So there could be, space could be infinite. Just our simple space that we know of and love could be infinite in extent, and different regions of that space had different histories. And some of those regions, everything we can see, we know emerged from a single point.
For example, the existence of an infinite number of alternate realities could mean that every possible outcome of every event is happening somewhere in the vast cosmic landscape. Moreover, the multiverse could have important implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. If there are infinite universes with varying physical laws, the possibility of life beyond our universe becomes even more likely. So, what does the future hold for the research into the multiverse? Scientists are hard at work developing new theories and experiments to explore the boundaries of our understanding. For instance, the Large Hadron Collider is constantly pushing the limits of our knowledge of particle physics, and may someday provide us with more clues about the possible existence of other universes. Likewise, advances in telescope technology and the study of cosmic microwave background radiation may reveal more evidence for the multiverse. The universe we know is vast and awe-inspiring, but the possibility of the multiverse takes our understanding of reality to an entirely new level. While the concept of the multiverse is still a matter of debate among scientists,
our visible universe was once smaller and smaller and smaller. If we go back in time, we can actually follow the laws of physics back to the earliest moments of the Big Bang until those laws break down, and we can make predictions about what the universe should look like. All those predictions agree exactly with the observations we make, which tell us that that picture works. But another region, if you wish, could have come from a different Big Bang.
But is that another universe, or is it a part of the universe that we can't see?
Here's how we've changed. And this is semantics, but non-trivial semantics. Namely, when I was a kid, universe meant everything.
Everything, right.
But we say that's a pretty stupid definition. A better definition is an operational one. Universe means that region of space with which at one time we could have communicated, or one time in the future, even if the future is infinite, we might communicate with. Because that describes the region of space where cause and effect works.
Some measurable distance.
Yes. And so we think of a universe as that region which could, throughout which everything could affect everything else, ultimately, in an infinitely long time.
The search for answers continues to fuel our curiosity and ignite our imagination. So, what do you think? Could we be just one of countless universes existing side by side? Now that we've discussed the scientific aspects of the multiverse, let's touch upon the philosophical implications of this mind-bending concept. The multiverse has been a popular topic in philosophy for centuries. If there are infinite parallel universes, do our choices truly matter? What does it mean to have an alternate version of ourselves in a different reality? These questions force us to confront our understanding of existence and the nature of self. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the multiverse and the mysteries of the universe.